Hi, welcome to the Bledsoe Library. I'm Miss Snyder, your librarian, and I am glad you're here. We have some new things happening in the library, and I'm going to share a couple of them with you today. One is the online information retrieval system, and the other is the check-in and out system. We're going to start with the online information retrieval system, and there's two different sites that you can use in order to gather information and find where your books are on the shelf. One is the LS2 Kids, and the other is LS2 Students. We are on LS2 Kids right now, and you can explore by two ways: explore by category or series and chapter books. We're on the category page because it says category right here. This is perfect for the little guys. They might want a book about Christmas, and they click on it, and they're able to see all the books that we have about Christmas. Or they might be interested in books about dogs, and it's an easy search tool for the little guys to use, but big guys might like it also. You can also search by series and chapter books, and on this right here, you might use this if you're not really sure what you want to read next and you want to see something new that we have in the library, and it's great just to scroll through and pique your interest. But right up here in the search bar is where you're actually going to search for something. It won't let you narrow it by subject or series or title or author. You'll have to type everything just right there. I'm going to type in Diary of a Wimpy Kid. And you can see we have 8 results. Some of the books are already out. This one's in, and these are all books down here. If you look over here, though, we do have one play away. So I'm going to click on this one here. We have 2 of the Cabin Fever in the collection. It's located in the fiction section under KIN, and unfortunately both of these are checked out. But I do like this feature below the summary. You can actually see where in the series this book is. So many of you who read series books, this is an easy way for you to know what comes next. You can also type in Williams, an author's last name, but what happens is it comes up with everything associated with Williams. Titles of books, famous people, and authors. That's 179 results, and that's why this site isn't the best for searching. You would probably want to use the LS2 Students. So down here at the bottom left, you will see Back to Catalog, and that is going to take you to the other search site. Up here is the Kids Catalog, and then down at the bottom is the Student Catalog. So on the Student Catalog, you will see books that are new releases. Right now, all of our books are new releases because they're all new inside LS2, but eventually, as I purchase new books, they will show up right here. And right here in the search bar is where you're going to search. So I'm going to type Diary of a Wimpy Kid. And you will see there's actually 14 records. This one right here is a book, and it's checked out, not available. Same thing here. When you actually want to find it on the shelf and you want to look at it, don't click here because it's not going to show you where it is on the shelf. You need to actually click here where it says not available or green available. I'm going to scroll down. This one's available here, so I'll click on this. You can see that we have 3 on the shelf. They're in the fiction section, KIN, and there's 1 checked in. I'm going to go back to results. You're also going to see something like this. That's the e-audiobook, and those are our playaways that you're welcome to check out. But you'll also see this, e-books. Those are electronic resources. These books are not books in the library. They're actually on a device, or actually, they're actually on the internet, and then you would download them to your device. So if you're interested in something like this, if you like to listen to books on tape or read books on tape, or on your iPad or your device there, then you would need to go to the App Store and download an app called Overdrive. And then you could actually, this is not available, but if it was, I'm going to click on it, then you can actually go to Overdrive, set up the Frisco ISD library as one of your libraries, and then you can type in right here your student ID number and then get books on your own device. So that's super cool, and it's something that I can show you how to do and your teachers can show you how to do later. I just want to make you aware of that feature. Let me go back up to the top. And if you want a specific search, like you want a series or a title or an author or something like that, then you want to click on Advanced Search. And this is where you can change. I'm going to do a series right here. I'm going to do Heidi Heckelbeck. Heidi Heckel, I don't know if I'm spelling that right or not. Heidi Heckelbeck. No results. I'm going to try again. I think I spelled it wrong. Heidi Heckelbeck. Okay, well, I don't know how to spell Heidi Heckelbeck. We're just going to do Big Nate. Okay, and that is where you're going to be able to search for something specific. So these are all of our series of Big Nates. So it's pretty simple, and I'll let you get on there and play around with that, but I wanted to show you the two sites just in case you came in and you saw something different than what you like to use. Now we're going to talk about checking our books in and out.